Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samia Salbazir from General Sudirman University. Today, I'm honored to present my research entitled Formulation of Enteral Food based on soy flour, pumpkin flour, and banana as an alternative snack for stroke patients. Stroke remains a major health problem worldwide, and one of its common complications is dysphagia or difficulty of swallowing. Dysphagia often leads to reduced food intake and also increasing the risk of malnutrition and sometimes delaying recovery. To address this, enteral nutrition can be used as an effective way to ensure adequate nutrient intake, either orally or through a feeding tube. In my study, we focus on local ingredients such as soy flour, which is high quality protein source, banana as a source of potassium that can help control blood pressure in stroke patients, and pumpkin as a source of antioxidant, which is a beta carotene that can be reducing the oxidative stress in stroke patients. And then the objective was to analyze how different proportion of this ingredient affect viscosity, sensory attributes, base formulation, and nutritional composition. Soy flour contains 34.9% protein, amino acid profile comparable to animal protein. Banana is rich in potassium, helps control hypertension in stroke patient. And pumpkin is high in beta carotene, which acts as an antioxidant and reduces oxidative stress in the brain. According to Internal Nutrition Standard, the energy density should be range between 0.5 to 2 kilocalories per milliliter, and viscosity should be between 1 to 50 centipoise. This standard guided the development of our formula. For the method, I'm using experimental design and completely randomized design. We prepare 3 formulations with different proportion of soy flour, pumpkin flour, and banana flour. Formula 1 consists 9 grams of soy flour, 7 grams of pumpkin flour, and 5 grams of banana flour. And Formula 2 consists 5 grams of soy flour, 9 grams of pumpkin flour, and 7 grams of banana flour. And the Formula 3 consists 7 grams of soy flour, 5 grams of pumpkin flour, and 9 grams of banana flour. A total of 18 experimental units were tested. We conduct 3 types of analysis. First is viscosity using a Brockfield viscometer, NDG8S, sensory evaluation involving 59 panelists, and approximate analysis for the best formulation. The results show that the formulation had a significant effect on sensory attributes such as color, aroma, texture, and overall appearance. However, there are no significant effect on viscosity, taste, or taste quality. In terms of preference, panelists rated Formula 1 as the most overall, but based on effectiveness index and nutritional content, Formula 2 was chosen as the best formula. Per 100 gram, Formula 2 provide 347 kilocalories, 30 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and 50 grams of carbohydrate. When served as 37 grams dissolved in 125 milliliters of water, the energy density reached 1 kilocalorie per milliliter, which matches Internal Nutrition Standard. For the discussion, the sensory evaluations show that ingredients proportions strongly affect color, aroma, and texture, but no taste. This because the sweetness level of all formulation was relatively similar. Although panelists prefer Formula 1 for appearance and acceptability, Formula 2 was selected as the best formula due to its nutrition profile and viscosity complaints. Soy flour provide a high-quality protein, pumpkin supplied antioxidant, and banana added potassium and dietary fiber. Together, this composition make Formula 2 nutritionally benefit for stroke patients with a dysphagia. However, the proximate analysis revealed that the moisture content was 16%, which is higher than the SNI standard for powder beverage. This suggests that improvements are needed to enhance product stability and shelf life. Overall, this finding highlight that local food ingredients can be used as enteral formulation, supporting both nutritional and the use of sustainable local resource. For the conclusion, the enteral formula based on soy flour, pumpkin, and banana met viscosity standard and well accepted in sensory evaluation. And Formula 2 was determined as the best formulation, providing balanced energy and high protein content. This formula can serve as an alternative nutritious snack for stroke patients. For the recommendation, there are 3 recommendations that can be given. One is for stroke patient, for institution, and for further research. I would like to express my gratitude to Jenderal Sudirman University, to Faculty of Health Sciences, to Department of Nutrition Science, and to my supervisor and all panelists who contribute in this study. There are so many references that I use, but some of them are Krause Food Nutrition Care Process, and etc. etc. Thank you very much for your kind attention. I will very delighted if there are any questions toward my researchers. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.